What is arc welding? Arc welding is a process of joining two metal pieces together using an electric arc. It is one of the most popular welding techniques used in various industries, including construction, automotive, and manufacturing. The process involves melting the metal at the joint using an electric arc, which creates a pool of molten metal that cools down and solidifies to form a strong bond between the two pieces. Arc welding is a versatile technique that can be used to weld different types of metals, including steel, aluminum, and copper. It is also suitable for welding thick and thin materials, making it a preferred choice for many applications. However, mastering the art of arc welding requires proper training, experience, and knowledge of the different techniques involved. In this video, we will explore the basics of arc welding, including how it works, the different techniques involved, and its applications and advantages. How arc welding works. Arc welding is a process that involves using an electric arc to melt and fuse metal pieces together. The electric arc is created between an electrode and the workpiece, which generates intense heat that melts the metal. As the metal cools, it solidifies and forms a strong bond between the two pieces. The process of arc welding requires a power source to generate the electric arc, an electrode to carry the current, and a shielding gas to protect the weld from contamination. The power source can be either AC or DC, depending on the type of welding being performed. The electrode can be made of a variety of materials, including steel, aluminum, and copper alloys. During the welding process, the electrode is held in place by a clamp, while the workpiece is positioned under the electrode. When the electric arc is initiated, the electrode begins to melt and deposit molten metal onto the workpiece. The welder must carefully control the speed and intensity of the arc to ensure that the weld is strong and uniform. One of the key advantages of arc welding is its versatility. It can be used to weld a wide range of metals, including steel, aluminum, and copper alloys. Additionally, it can be used in a variety of applications, from building construction to automotive repair. Overall, understanding how arc welding works is essential for anyone interested in pursuing a career in welding or working with metal. With the right training and equipment, anyone can learn to perform high-quality arc welding and create strong, durable welds. 3. Types of arc welding techniques. Arc welding is a versatile process that can be performed using different techniques. Each technique has its own unique characteristics and advantages, making it suitable for specific applications. One of the most common arc welding techniques is shielded metal arc welding, SMAW, also known as stick welding. This technique involves using a consumable electrode coated in flux to create an arc between the electrode and the workpiece. The heat generated by the arc melts the electrode and the base metal, which then solidifies to form a strong joint. Another popular arc welding technique is gas metal arc welding, GMAW, also known as MIG welding. This technique uses a wire electrode that is continuously fed through a welding gun. The wire is melted by an electric arc, and the molten metal is used to join two pieces of metal together. GMAW is commonly used in automotive and manufacturing industries due to its high welding speed and ease of use. Tungsten inert gas, TIG, welding is another type of arc welding that uses a non-consumable tungsten electrode to produce the arc. A separate filler rod is used to add material to the weld joint. TIG welding produces high-quality welds with excellent precision and control, making it ideal for welding thin materials or intricate designs. Lastly, flux cord arc welding, FCAW, is a variation of MIG welding that uses a tubular wire filled with flux instead of a solid wire. FCAW is commonly used in construction and shipbuilding industries due to its ability to weld thick materials and its portability. Understanding the different types of arc welding techniques is crucial in selecting the right method for your project. Each technique has its own advantages and limitations, so it's important to consider factors such as material thickness, joint design, and welding position when choosing a technique. 4. Applications and advantages of arc welding. Arc welding is a widely used technique in various industries, including construction, manufacturing, and automotive. One of the main advantages of arc welding is its versatility. It can be used to weld a wide range of metals, including steel, aluminum, and copper alloys. This makes it an ideal choice for many applications. One of the most common applications of arc welding is in the construction industry. It is used to join structural steel components, such as beams and columns, to create buildings and other structures. Arc welding is also used in the manufacturing industry to fabricate metal products, such as machinery, equipment, and tools. Another advantage of arc welding is its ability to produce strong and durable welds. The high temperatures generated by the electric arc melt the base metal and filler material, creating a bond that is often stronger than the surrounding metal. This makes arc welding an excellent choice for applications where strength and durability are critical. Arc welding is also a relatively fast and efficient process. With the right equipment and techniques, welders can complete large projects quickly and with minimal downtime. This can help to reduce costs and increase productivity. In addition to its many advantages, arc welding does have some limitations. For example, it can be difficult to use in tight spaces or on thin materials. It also requires a significant amount of skill and training to perform correctly. However, with proper training and experience, arc welding can be a highly effective and versatile welding technique.